Yes. How good is that? Oh my god. Oh yes. My god, I'm excited. That is hot. That is very hot. Fantastic. Let's put them over here. Alright guys, Ultravision lighting, absolute legends. Hooked me up with 2 spotties, 40-inch light bar. I think it's 40-inch, might be 50, can't remember. Bloody big light bar. Their gear is supposedly the best shit in the market. There's not another light on the market that isn't a laser light that can get 1.8 kilometers range, so-called range, from these lights. I'm really eager to try that out. I know on those long country roads, when I'm going out west, especially going back to WA and stuff, very, 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 very needed. You know, cows and stuff come out, roos, mate, they're everywhere. You do not want to be hitting shit at 110 k's an hour when you're going across the Nullarbor. So this stuff will save you. It'll be worth your money to look into getting a set of Ultravision lights. Well worth it. So these lights are basically going to be replacing my 2 King's spotties and my King's light bar. The King's spotties at the moment have about a range of say 300 to 400 meters, pushing it. The light bar is completely shattered. The whole thing's disintegrated. I don't even use it anymore. It's pretty much shit. So basically it's going to be replacing them, and hopefully we can see a big difference basically between the two. So let's get into it. Chuck the light bar down here. Let's open them all up. Oh yeah, that is a big light bar. All right, that's all nicely wrapped. Wow, okay. So you can really see they've kind of got those floods the whole way through. They've got a nice big protective film straight over the top. So that's just going to be a polycarbonate film. That'll just protect the light basically from what's happened to my light bar. Fantastic, so that's the light bar. Let's put it into some perspective of, that's my door. Right, it's bigger than my door. So, holy God, it is big. It was one big boy. So that's my light bar. This is where the goodies are. Let's open them up. It's lovely. So, what have we got in here? So we got ourselves a wiring harness in here. We got my second one. Harness. So this one, you can tell, is for your spotties. And the difference between the Ultravision lighting ones and normal spotties is basically that you get this special switch that you can choose whether or not you want to have your lights are basically on high beam, low beam, or off completely. So when you're in high density areas, or maybe that if you've ever done long distance driving, you'll always come across basically a car that's too far away from you to have your high beams on and it'll have your spotties. This basically gets around it by putting on that low beam setting. It'll still make your spotties and everything run, but instead it's just going to lower the beam so it actually doesn't hit the people in the face and they're going to start flashing you. So that's a really, really good idea that I really like about Ultravision. The thing I really like about that is that you can keep basically your high beams up, you can still see everything, and you have the option to basically change between instead of having to actually completely turn off your spotties. So they've given me a second wiring harness in here. As you can see, it's got absolutely everything that you need. That's my light bar. There's for my spotties. Fantastic. All right, so these are the Nitro 180 Maxxes with 1 lux at 1.8 kilometer distance. As you can see, it's not a laser light. It is a standard looking LED spotty. However, there's nothing standard about it whatsoever. It is probably one of the best things in the business in terms of lighting. So you can actually get different colors. Got the 4000K warm white color. It'll give it a little bit more color depth. It also doesn't fatigue your eyes as much. So this is the first one. That is sexual. Nice thick brackets. They ain't bending anytime soon, and mate, that is one hell of a spotlight. My God. That is phenomenal. Wow. And just from looking at it, straight up in comparison to the King's one, it just looks like what a spotlight should look like, especially one that is just going to pump. And that polycarbonate fitting, that's basically going to protect my light from, you know, rocks flicking up and smashing the actual lens, so the actual light itself doesn't die. It's what's going to die is basically this outer rim that'll protect it. So it means you won't ever have to put stuff over it to cover the rim and protect it. You can literally just leave that on. So that's perfect. So that's my first one. I'm going to assume the second one looks the same. Oh my God, I'm actually horny. That is just, oh, I'm actually wet. Wow. Let's go to this together. Oh my goodness. That is the sun. I'm gonna say that is actually the sun. Right there, believe it or not, is the sun. Mate, I'm speechless. I cannot wait to get this on my car and see the results of it. The difference in quality. Like you can see here that it's all, like the brackets are quite slim. The mounting positions are wrong. They've given you shit bolts. The difference in depth and the heat dissipation. You can see that this is it's a lot more surface area than that. Just the size of the bracket as well, like, you know, the vibration of this, like this one still moves quite a bit in comparison. So this one's got a really big this one's got a nice big wide base on it. Obviously it has the anti-theft lock nuts on him too, so it makes it a pain in the ass for anyone trying to steal your spotties. And obviously it doesn't have that protective cover. So as you can see from up here, that whole thing is shuttered. An entire screen is shuttered. You can see that basically this has that protective screen, which is going to basically stop, you see that whole screen, that's basically going to stop those rocks and stuff from flicking up and, you know, screwing up your vision. That is the full kit that Ultravision have sent me. As I said, I'm ultra stoked. I cannot wait to get it on my car. It looks absolutely phenomenal. So I suppose the next video will just be one of the car. So cheers guys, thanks for coming. Till next time, next vid's coming in hot.